In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Semrush account. Whether you're looking to transition to another platform or simply need a break, I'll guide you through each step with clarity and ease. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Semrush website. You can do this by typing Semrush into your search bar or directly entering the Semrush URL if you have it handy. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log in. If you've already signed up, enter your login credentials. For those who might be new and are just exploring their options, you'll need to sign up to proceed. Once you've logged in, navigate to your profile or user settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page. In this section, you'll find all your account specifics, including your subscription information. Look around for the subscription details, which will often be prominently displayed, as Semrush makes it convenient for users to access this information. Now, within your subscription information, there should be an option to cancel your subscription. Typically, it's straightforward, but in case you're having trouble locating it, use the search feature within the settings or check the FAQ section for detailed guidance. Once found, follow the prompts carefully. Semrush might ask you a few questions to understand your reason for cancellation. It's all part of their customer feedback process. After this is done, you may be required to confirm your cancellation. Keep an eye on your email inbox, as many services, including Semrush, prefer email confirmation to finalize such requests. This step ensures that you have given your consent and avoids accidental cancellations. It's important to note that if you're canceling a paid subscription, your account will automatically be downgraded to Semrush's free plan. This is designed to give you continued access, but with limited features, allowing you to still benefit from some aspects of the tool without the full financial commitment. For users already on the free plan and looking to delete the account entirely, things are slightly different. You might not see the Cancel Subscription option because you aren't on a paid plan. In this case, don't worry, you can reach out directly to Semrush support. Their team is prompt and ready to assist with account deletions, ensuring your request is processed smoothly. There you have it. These steps should help you navigate through the process of deleting your Semrush account. If you've followed along, your account should be in the process of being canceled or deleted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your needs.